Hey, good morning, everybody. This is Cliff with Pen Flamingo Power Wash. Back with another video for you guys. Today I'm out working in Tampa, Florida. I'm here for this customer. I was just here last week. I was doing the fascia foam. I upsold him on the roof cleaning and also gutter cleaning. And she has the long sidewalk that wraps around the whole property. And also this area right here in front of the driveway. I'm gonna start with the gutters first with my blower. Use my blower over here, and then I'm gonna water down the plants, do the roof cleaning, and then move on to the sidewalk cleaning. Also, I want to thank y'all for helping me get to 2,000 subscribers. Like I said, I will be giving out a Sutton 2605 trigger gun. So I'm gonna be choosing the winner real soon, probably tonight when I upload this video. So y'all stay tuned and enjoy the video. Alright, we got one side of the house done. The gutter cleaning, we're gonna move on. And I got this remaining part. Alright, we got the gutters all flushed out. Actually, we got them all blown out. I'm gonna go ahead and go up there with my ball valve, flush down the downspouts. There's one over here that was really clogged. So I wanna make sure that, that's flushed out pretty good. So when I start cleaning the roof, when I have runoff, I can catch it at the bottom, the bottom of the downspout. All right, let's go knock it out. All right, so the downspout, I told you guys that I had to flush, which is not flowing because the downspout itself is stuffed with leaves because of the tree above me. So I took the bottom off so far, and you can tell the ball valve ended up shooting the water, but it's barely coming out because this whole line right here is full of leaves. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get the leaves to drop down so we can flush it the right way. Look at all this. Yeah. Look at that. All that came out the gutter. All right, we're gonna go back to the other side, flush those out. And we'll be moving on to wetting down all the plants to protect for overspray, and then we can start spraying the roof. All right, so I'm wetting down the plants over here on this side of the house. I'm gonna do this side right here first, and then move on to the right side. I should be able to hit half of the roof from this side of my position. Makes it easier on myself. Give these plants a nice little drink. And when I come down, I'm gonna hit them up one more time, and then start doing this right side. looking good, especially that spot right there where there was some heavy algae buildup around this area right over there. All that right there done came off. Everything is treated. Yes, sir. We're gonna move on down there and knock out this dirty sidewalk. We're gonna use the 12 volt to pre-treat it and then hit it with a surface cleaner, man. Let's get down. We got the sidewalk treated. I hit it with a 12 volt for about a 2% mix. As you can tell, how the algae is reacting right now. That's the heavy algae, boy. Look at that. We're gonna go ahead and get the surface cleaner ready. I'm gonna start from over here. Matter of fact, we're gonna start from the back over here and work our way to the front. So sidewalk is done, everything is cleaned up, roof is done. There is some tinning stains on the sidewalk. Obviously you guys know those don't come up with surface cleaning. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna post treat them with about a 4%, 5%, and then by the time I wrap up, we're gonna see the results. So we're gonna start now. Let me see what time it is. It's 11:35. I'm gonna post treat them, and then by the time I wrap up, we're gonna see what they look like. Does it show you guys? This is what it looks like now. Got a couple of spots here. Got some more spots over here. Get out the way so you can see. Got a couple of spots here, along here, and some more down there. But we're gonna post treat those, and then we're gonna come back and see what it looked like. So if you guys can see my watch, I don't know, 11:35. All right, push trim it is down. Let me see. See if you guys can see, 10:49. I started about 10:35, 10:36. As you can tell, over here there was a lot of tinting stains. All disappeared within the time I packed up my equipment. Got the sidewalk looking nice. No tinting stains left. Yes, sir. All right, guys, I appreciate y'all checking out the video. Be on the lookout for some new content coming up. Thank y'all for letting me hit that 2,000 subscribers. And I'll be announcing the winner. Y'all stay tuned. See you on the next video. Peace.